users lost money to liquidation, not because they made bad decisions, but because they weren't watching. By the time a push notification fires and you open your wallet, your collateral is already gone. So Risk Sentinel solves it's an AI agent, autonomous DeFi risk monitoring with verifiable AI decisions on Filecoin. So it solves AI that watches your near DeFi positions 24 by 7, scores risk with a large language model, acts before liquidation happens, and stores a cryptographic receipt of every decision on the Filecoin. So let me show you that how it actually works through the wallet connect. So if you already have the wallet, so you can click this and you can redirect it to the wallet thing. In the same way, if you want to install an this thing like Sender Wallet as an extension, you're open to install that. So I have the wallet address where I have been entered my wallet address here. I'm going to launch the dashboard. Once once connected to your dashboard, you're going to land the dashboard. You can see your wallet address at the top as this. And live near price and ticket on four key stats, wallets and average key, everything. So let me show you. I'm going to scan now. So you can see the animation which it's done. The first action is monitoring is done, and the next action risk analyst is done, and the next is action agent is done. So here, watch agent pipeline at top. This is the agent pipeline which it actually works. So first, monitor agent fetches position near testnet. It calls view account on the real RPC to get the live wallet wallet balance. Then builds positions across borrow, refinance and scale it to that balance. Next is risk analyst. Risk analyst agent sends each position to Groq model. Groq model here, Llama model I have been used here. It returns a risk score between 0 to 100, 0 to 100, and low, medium, and everything, high or critical with the plain English reasoning. You can actually read it. So finally, the action moves to the action agent, executes protective moves for anything critical or high, and they can. This is the key part. Every decision gets signed. So now let's comes to the position cards. So here the position cards which ref finance with the priority is the critical is low and the risk score is literally 20 by 100 and the collateral ratio is 145 and the position values. So you can see everything. And the next thing is for high or low critical ratio, we have been added live countdown timer with the hours, minutes, and seconds showing our estimated time to liquidation based on the collateral gap. This is the collateral ratio. Now let me show you AI reasoning on the critical thing. So here we are going to see that how Groq Llama model has been given the reasoning to it. This position at risk collateral ratio is very liquidation threshold. This is the explanation why your wallet is like the AI reasoning to that critical issue. And now let's test set regarding the price drop and simulator gets top positions and tabs get you model what happens if near drops. I will drag to the 30% and everything. Now when we are going to the heat map, switch to the heat map tab like the same data in the grid layout showing portfolio value, average risk and the position positions at risk. How many positions are at risk out of what? So near USDC and W near Ethereum. So we can see the critical severity based on the colors. Now we are going to get the audited trial. Every scan writes a tamper-proof record to Filecoin via Storage. Here the audited trial. Each trial shows the protocol like risk level at actual Filecoin CID and the cryptographic signature for lead protocol, signing everything. So here we are going to when we are going to verify it, like it is already verified by CID and SID cards. So when we are going to click the share ID proof, the ID is going to be copied. So we can easily share on certain things like suppose I can share here. So here I can share easily like what is ad has been developed and everything. And in the agent log, so you can see for each and every WebSocket how it actually does and what it happens and everything. So for every log you are going to see here. And in the storage, how many spaces for every time you're going to get the timestamp, what is the exact storage you had been stored and everything. Let me tell you exact architecture what I have been started. So position cards and risk map, agent pipeline, audit trial, which will be redirected to the WebSocket through the REST API and fast API backend is like this is the thing. And Landgraph 3 agent pipeline is monitor fetch near AI positions, and next one is risk analyst Groq LLM score, which scores from 0 to 100 plus reasons, and action is equals to execute TX plus sign or store. So that will be redirected to lead service and Storacha service. This is how it actually works. And rent risk sentinel autonomous DeFi risk management with verifiable on-chain audit proofs built for PL Genesis on near Storacha, Filecoin and lead protocol. Thank you so much.